Hi. All right. Andre's first time camping. Should we go check out the campsite? Through Andre's eyes. Andre's first camp spot. He's got his hammock hangout. What do you think, buddy? He likes it. Likes to look at the treetops. Yeah, your first time camping, bud. The first thing Andre wants to show everyone is his tent. Queen size mattress for Andre over here. Panning over. That's where mom's gonna sleep. That's where the dog's gonna sleep. Luxury. Oh, you rolled over, bud. All right. What else do we have? Here. This is Kootenai. That's a good boy.
Look up.
Then around this rock, this is my favorite. A campfire pit overlooking. Well, Andre. All right, little Dre. Today, we build a fire. Your first fire. Okay, time to go to bed. Hey, what are you doing, young man? All right. Home sweet home, kiddos. Let's call it a night. Come on, guys, we're up.
He's awake, and you're awake, and I'm awake.
Uh-oh. Who wants to have a campfire?